And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. What's
good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I'm back with another video for you guys, back with another banger. Ladies, I know the community is kind of a little sad right now because the price is down. In my opinion, you should be happy because guess what? You get to accumulate for cheaper, right? Obviously though, none of what I say is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into crypto. But guys, now would be a nice time to start DCAing into ladies, right? Ladies fam, if you hold a project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got a video that we're gonna check out from Blackrock themselves, how they're talking about Bitcoin and crypto. Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, the company, the asset manager that literally owns everything, $15 trillion, guys. And you know, they just all of a sudden flip bullish. Why? The reason isn't because all of a sudden they believe in the technology. No, they see that more and more people are getting into crypto. The demand for crypto is there. So guess what? They're gonna try to make more money. Always follow the money. Watch what they do, not what they say. Ladies fam, let's take a look at this video. And there you have it, guys, straight from Larry Fink himself. All of a sudden, the institutions, the bankers are getting more and more bullish on crypto. That spot ETF, in my opinion, from Blackrock, once approved, will be super crazy for the markets and, you know, ladies as well. Remember, retail investors are going to come into the space eventually. When everything gets super bullish and everybody's making millions off crypto, that's when you're gonna see retail. All of a sudden, a bunch of new money from retail starts to get into the space, and a lot of projects that are listed on tier 1 exchanges like a Ladies will have nice pumps, especially because they're meme coins, right? I know right now it's, you know, a down time, but I've seen it time and time again when I'm trading, when I'm looking at projects on like a KuCoin, a Mexi Global. They're projects that don't even have an active Twitter. They haven't tweeted in like a year. They're still listed on KuCoin, and you know, whales or whoever just manipulates the charts and then instantly sends them 10x, right? Instantly sends them 10x, and then all of a sudden all the retail FOMOing on the green candle to get wrecked. So this is what I'm saying, now is a good time to DCA and accumulate, because guess what? In a bull market, majority of projects are gonna send on exchanges, on top exchanges, right? Because that's the first place retail investors buy. The whales manipulate the price. Ladies pumps 20-30x. Guess what? Retail FOMOs in, boom, you get a 50x on Ladies, 100x. You just never know in the bull cycle, guys. Community though just has to stay active. Team keep pushing as well, and you just never know how far the project could go in the future, because guess what? Whenever whenever the spot ETF gets approved for Blackrock, or all the other ETFs finally gets approved, and that institutional money starts to get into the space, we'll see a 34k Bitcoin super fast, and then we're gonna see a $2,000, maybe $3,000 big Ethereum, right? That is gonna be excuse me, that is gonna be bullish for Ladies, because guess what? It is peer to Ethereum. It's on the Ethereum peer. A lot of projects follow the overall market. Yes, Ladies is retracing with high volatility right now, but that's because it's a meme coin. It has high volatility to the downside as well as the upside, and that's just how meme coins are, right? But retail investors, regular people, average people, honest people making an honest living, we love meme coins. I love meme coins. I'm not gonna fade meme coins. Obviously, I fully believe in strong altcoins, and you should have those in your portfolio as well. But if you got a few extra $100 and you are looking to potentially make some nice gains from a few $100s, might as well take a shot at meme coins, right? Just never invest more than you're willing to lose. From the truth, I'm down, as you can see. He's down, but he is still there. R5 just purchased $1.5 billion more. Now I have over 10 billion coins. Nice bag. R5 from Mikey. Bought another billion. Buy the dip. That's how money will be made. That's just how it goes, man. Crypto Crip. Despite good news about option trading, we kept dipping, so something really going on behind the scenes that we don't know. Big exchanges accumulate heavy bags. First and second secret wallets could be Binance and Coinbase. Ooh, he going for the ether scan. He going for the ether scan, guys. Who knows what could happen? Crypto Crip, biggest whale manipulation I've ever seen. The token will not create millionaires but billionaires. Tell him Crypto Crip. Floki for lifetime to accumulate DCA. Do your own research, and that's how you gotta play it, man. Peter, the volume is growing. Gemini and bullish on ladies. The ladies community is very strong on CMC, man. Nice stuff, man. But yeah, let's take a look right here. Let's take a look. So you're pretty much gonna be getting into an entry back in this range around the 2.5 2.6 mark if it keeps retracing, right? And I think that's great, because guess what, then it makes a move up. Boom, instantly you got like a close to a 3x. It gets back to this high. It gets back to this high at 6.62, right? 0.62. So it's up to you. If you have conviction on a project, trust yourself. Never listen to influencers, in my opinion. Don't listen to me, guys. But if you have conviction on ladies, you think it's gonna crush it, now's the time you DCA in on the red days. Not the green days when it's pumping like crazy. No, you buy the red. You buy the fear, right? Milady Memecoin, 66.3k followers on Twitter, put a tweet out saying good morning. Options trading is live, guys. Very nice stuff that they have done something different to a lot of other meme coins. That's pretty great. From Bin Soning, no matter how difficult the conditions are, I can't stop buying. Can't stop my love for ladies. I'm telling you, man. This is how millionaires were created, man. From nothing, one meme coin buy, life changed instantly. Step up this whole crib. Obviously, this is just like probably a meme picture, but this is how it is, man. We're in crypto to change our lives. Crypto fajitas, ladies, that's a pretty chart. So it did break the support level, and it's come back down to this other support level that I drew in my chart previously. Let's take a look. Let's see, I think it's still there. Let's pull that up, guys. Ladies, yep, coming down to that support line that I drew as well, as you could see. So what I'm hoping for, if it does come back down to this support line, the support level, it holds that support, consolidates, and then breaks back out from there. It does a bounce from there, guys. That's what I'm hoping for. From SigP, somebody gotta take a chance, and guess what SigP is doing? He's buying the fear, man. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Buying the fear. Guess what? One situation could happen instantly. Bounce. Ladies is pumping again. Sig freeze up. Whereas other people that sold, panic sold, they get wrecked. They're FOMOing back in. Then the chart retraces that on them, and they call the project a scam, right? Always the same thing over and over. Bin Sonnen once again. Ladies in the last battle either retire in the first battle or return to zero. In the first battle, live out big pump. You can't imagine. That's how it is, man. Like, that's why I say just invest in them out you're willing to lose. If you're gonna invest into meme coins, just invest in an amount that you're not gonna lose sleep over. If you lose it, that's how it goes. But if you get the gains, that's also how it goes, right? Main City Empire. I wonder how many people are gonna open ladies option contracts once their BTC and ETH contracts expire in a couple hours. DWF Labs, this is it. Tweeting out, ladies, tomorrow, this is huge. Don't miss the rocket. Very, very nice stuff. Ladies option trading is live on Bit, man. Look at that, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Super nice stuff, man. Ladies, fam, still super bullish on ladies. I just, want to see what happens I feel like when the market starts to turn around, ladies will also. It's just a matter of patience. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Are you holding? Are you diamond handing? Or have you moved on from the project? Let me get your thoughts, man. Are you looking at other projects? Ladies fam, if you're still diamond handling like myself, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about ladies and myself will be in the description. Appreciate all the support. Blow this video up, guys. Get it to 10,000 views, and I'll catch you in the next one.